you want to know the best way to enjoy Taj Mahal in India, this is the video for you. At LexGo, my goal is to make travel simple for you. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. One of the 7 great wonders of the world, the fascinating monument of Taj Mahal, is in the must-see list of many global travelers. But visiting India can be a chaotic experience. That's why your choice of hotel is crucial when you visit this country. So I'm taking you to one of the ultimate and magical hotel experiences this human world can offer.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be.
Hello and good afternoon and a very warm welcome to the Oberoi Amarvilas. My name is Abhishek. I'm the general manager of the hotel. All our rooms have a magnificent view of the Taj Mahal. So no matter which room you're in, you will always have the Taj in your sights.
The hotel buggy will bring you to the gates of Taj Mahal in just a few minutes. And from there, you can get your own guide to experience the magnificence of the monument. Just a warning, if your guide insists on bringing you to some place after you visit Taj Mahal, it's best to decline the offer. Unless, of course, you really enjoy tourist traps filled with aggressive salespeople.
3,500. Now, you see.
After surviving the invasive sales tactics of these guys, it was such a relief to be back at the hotel to enjoy what for me is the best Indian food that ever touched my palate.
I welcome you to the Oberoi Amarvilas.
But beyond the lifestyle, the real gem in the Oberoi Amarvila experience is their sincere and excellent service. We had trouble booking our train to Delhi, but they made things possible for us. They allowed us for a very late checkout, and they even surprised us with a complimentary car service to the train station. We truly appreciate such gesture of kindness, and those are the things we will always remember. Thank you, Oberoi Amarvilas. You made our visit to Taj Mahal a trip of a lifetime.